Greeting the host.
Hello. Welcome to Bella's Bistro. How many people are in your party today?
Hi, it's just two of us.
Great. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside would be better. It's a bit chilly outside.
Absolutely. I'll find a cozy spot for you. How's this table? It's near the window.
This is perfect, thank you.
Wonderful. Your server will be with you in just a minute. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks so much.
Questions before you order.
Hi there. Welcome to Bella's Bistro. I'm Emma, and I'll be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Hi, Emma. Yes, can we see the drink menu first?
Of course. Here you go. We also have a special on fresh squeezed lemonade today.
That sounds refreshing. Is it more sweet or tangy?
It's a bit of both. Perfectly balanced, I'd say.
That does sound good. What about iced coffee? Do you make it with cold brew?
Yes, it's cold brew, and we can add flavored syrups if you like.
I think I'll go with the lemonade.
And I'll have the cold brew, no syrup.
Great choices. I'll be right back with those.
I think I might try dessert today. Their menu looks amazing.
Yeah, same here. That chocolate lava cake sounds delicious.
Placing your order.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'd like the grilled chicken salad, please. Can I get extra avocado with that?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's it for me.
I'll have the spaghetti with marinara sauce. Oh, and can you add a side of garlic bread?
Sure thing. Would you like Parmesan cheese on top of the spaghetti?
Yes, please.
Oh, and can we get some water for the table?
Absolutely. I'll bring that right out.
I always have a hard time deciding what to order.
I know, right? Everything looks so good, but I'm happy with my choice.
Yeah, your salad sounds really fresh.
Talking about the food.
This chicken salad is fantastic. The avocado makes it so creamy.
That's good to hear. The spaghetti is nice too, but the sauce is a little bit salty.
Oh no, really? Maybe we can ask for something to balance it out.
Yeah, I might mention it. But the garlic bread is perfect. Crispy and buttery.
That sounds amazing. Want to trade a bite?
Sure. Here, try some of the bread.
Thanks. Oh wow, you're right. It's delicious.
Handling a problem with your order.
Excuse me, Emma.
Yes, is everything okay?
My salad is great, but I think I asked for extra avocado, and I don't see any.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me bring some right away.
And my spaghetti sauce is a bit salty. Is there anything you recommend to balance it out?
I can bring you some extra Parmesan cheese or a little cream to mix in.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Asking for dessert.
How was everything?
Really good. That salad was so fresh.
Yes, and the garlic bread was the best part.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. I think we were both eyeing that lava cake earlier.
Yes, let's share one.
Excellent choice. I'll bring it right out.
Asking for the check and tipping.
Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Of course. Would you like to pay together or separately?
Together is fine.
I'll cover the tip. How much do you think we should leave?
The service was great, so let's do 20%.
Sounds good.
Saying goodbye.
Here's your receipt. Thanks so much for dining with us today.
Thank you. The food was amazing.
Yes, we really enjoyed it.
I'm so glad. Have a great rest of your day.
You too.